Hi friends, welcome. I am Dr. Guru Kumar. Today we will discuss about National Immunization Schedule in Children. National Immunization Schedule in Children is the schedule followed for the administration of vaccines for the children in our country in all government hospitals that are dealing with the mother and child health. These vaccines protect the children from various diseases. Vaccination is a mode of prevention. Vaccine provides artificial, adaptive and active immunity. In this schedule, vaccines are given to the children at the time of birth and at the time of 6 weeks of age, 10 weeks and 14 weeks of age, and also between 9 to 12 months of age and between 16 to 24 months of age and between 5 to 6 years of age, and also at 10 years and 16 years of age. Coming to the vaccines that are given to the children at the time of birth. BCG, OPV and hepatitis B vaccine are given to the child at the time of birth. These three vaccines are usually given as soon as the child is born. Coming to the BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin. It gives protection against tuberculosis and leprosy, and the protection lasts for 20 years only. 0.05 ml of the injection is given intradermally over the left upper arm at the area of deltoid insertion using an insulin syringe. In an insulin syringe, 0.05 ml is equal to 2 units. It can also be given with a 2 cc normal disposable syringe using 26 gauge needle. For any intramuscular, intradermal or subcutaneous injections in neonates, we prefer 26 gauge needle. For children more than 1 month of age, 0.1 ml can be given, but routinely many are giving 0.1 ml for neonates also. It can be given up to 1 year of age if missed at birth. Coming to the oral polio vaccine. OPV 0 dose is given at birth. 2 drops of the vaccine is given orally. OPV should be kept in the freezing section of the refrigerator. A child should take at least 5 doses of OPV to develop immunity against polio virus. 0 dose is given at birth. First dose is given at 6 weeks of age and second dose at 10 weeks, third dose at 14 weeks and fourth dose at 16 to 24 months of age and fifth dose at 5 years of age. It protects the child from polio disease. If missed at birth, it can be given within 15 days of birth. Coming to the hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B vaccine birth dose is given within 24 hours of birth. 0.5 ml of the injection is given intramuscular at the anterolateral aspect of the mid-thigh. It protects the child from hepatitis caused by hepatitis B virus. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given to the child at 6 weeks of age. They are pentavalent vaccine first dose, oral polio vaccine first dose, rotavirus vaccine first dose, and injectable polio vaccine first dose and pneumococcal vaccine first dose is given. First, coming to the pentavalent vaccine. It gives protection against 5 diseases. They are diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B and Haemophilus influenza B. 0.5 ml of the injection is given intramuscular in the anterolateral aspect of the left mid-thigh. It can be given anytime till 1 year of age. And next, coming to the OPV first dose. 2 drops of the vaccine are given orally. Next, coming to the rotavirus vaccine first dose. Rotavirus vaccine protects the child from rotavirus induced diarrhea. It is started as a pilot product in some states and our government is slowly expanding the coverage. 2.5 ml of the vaccine is given orally. And next coming to the injectable polio vaccine, first dose. IPV first dose is given at 6 weeks of age. 0.1 ml of the vaccine is given intradermally over the right upper arm using an insulin syringe or 26 gauge needle. It is also called as fractional IPV. It protects the children from polio disease. And next coming to the PCV first dose, that is pneumococcal conjugate vaccine first dose. It is started as a pilot project in some districts of few states. Slowly, government will increase the coverage. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given in the anterolateral aspect of the left mid-thigh, and it protects the children from pneumonia caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. And next coming to the vaccines that are given at 10 weeks of age. The vaccines that are given at 10 weeks of age are pentavalent vaccine second dose and oral polio vaccine second dose and rotavirus vaccine second dose. Next coming to the vaccines that are given at 14 weeks of age. They are pentavalent vaccine third dose, OPV third dose, rotavirus vaccine third dose, IPV second dose and PCV second dose. Next coming to the vaccines that are given between 9 to 12 months of age. They are MR first dose, that means measles and rubella vaccine first dose, and vitamin A first dose, JE first dose, that is Japanese encephalitis first dose, and PCV-B, that is pneumococcal vaccine booster dose. Coming to the MR1, that means measles and rubella first dose. Previously, we were giving measles vaccine. Now, our government replaced it with MR vaccine. It is usually given at the age of 9 months. 9 months means completed 9 months of age. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given subcutaneously over the right upper arm using a 26 gauge needle. It protects against measles and rubella. Next, coming to the vitamin A first dose. Vitamin A is given along with MR vaccine. 1 ml of the solution is given orally. 1 ml contains 1 lakh international units of vitamin A. From 18 months of age onwards, 2 ml of the solution is given orally every 6 months up to 60 months, that is up to 5 years of age. If you calculate, it will become a total 9 doses of vitamin A for the child up to 5 years of age. Next coming to the JE first dose. Japanese encephalitis vaccine first dose. It is given only in the districts which are endemic for Japanese encephalitis. It can be given along with MR vaccine at 9 months of age, or it can be given 4 weeks after the MR vaccine. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given subcutaneously using a 26 gauge needle in the left upper arm. Next coming to the PCV-B, that is pneumococcal vaccine booster dose. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given intramuscular over the anterolateral aspect of the right mid-thigh. Next coming to the vaccines that are given at 16 to 24 months of age. They are OPV-B, that means OPV booster dose, MR2, that means measles and rubella second dose, DPT-B1, that means DPT first booster dose, and JE2, that means JE second dose. First coming to the OPV booster dose. 2 drops of the vaccine are given orally. Next coming to the MR second dose, that means measles and rubella second dose. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given subcutaneously over the right upper arm using a 26 gauge needle. It protects against measles and rubella. Next coming to the DPT-B1, That means DPT, first booster dose. DPT means diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given intramuscular over the anterolateral aspect of the mid-thigh. It protects against diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. And coming to the JE2, Japanese encephalitis vaccine second dose. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given subcutaneously using a 26 gauge needle in the left upper arm. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given between 5 to 6 years of age. They are DPT B2, that means diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, second booster dose. 0.5 ml of the vaccine is given intramuscular over the anterolateral aspect of the mid-thigh. It protects against diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 10 years and 16 years of age. TD vaccine is given, that is tetanus and diphtheria vaccine are given. Previously we were giving TT, that means tetanus toxoid vaccine. Now it is being replaced by TD, that means tetanus and diphtheria vaccine. So friends, this is about recent update of national immunization schedule. So at birth we are giving BCG, OPV 0 dose and hepatitis B birth dose, and at 6 weeks we are giving OPV first dose, rotavirus first dose, IPV first dose, pentavalent vaccine and pneumococcal vaccine first dose. And at 10 weeks we are giving OPV second dose, rotavirus second dose and pentavalent second dose. 14 weeks we are giving second dose of IPV and pneumococcal vaccine and third dose of oral polio vaccine, rotavirus vaccine and pentavalent vaccine. And between 9 to 12 months we are giving measles and rubella first dose and vitamin A and Japanese encephalitis first dose and pneumococcal vaccine booster dose. And at 16 to 24 months of age we are giving oral polio vaccine booster dose, measles and rubella vaccine second dose, and diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus vaccine first booster dose and Japanese encephalitis vaccine second dose. And between 5 to 6 years we are giving second booster of diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. And at 10 years we are giving tetanus and diphtheria vaccine. And at 16 years we are giving tetanus and diphtheria vaccine. So friends, this is the recent update of National Immunization Schedule. In another video, we will discuss IAP vaccination schedule. That means Indian Academy of Pediatrics vaccination schedule. Hope you all understood this National Immunization Schedule. Thank you.